Hello and welcome. In this video I will explain how I get this kind of verb around my monster. I hope you like my idea. Stay till the end and of course don't forget to like and subscribe. First we will create some fill width for the body layer. Then we are going to add some texture. I use this horse texture. Then we are going to clip it, hold Alt and between two layers. Then we are going to choose some brush. With the default brush you have two type of grass brush you can use for make verb around the edges like I did. Press R to rotate your picture, then slowly paint on the body layer just like I did, something like this. Of course you can use different types of brush you can download from brushes, some verb brush. You see, you get some hairy, some verb if you create some monster or some fluffy thing or something like that. I show you one or two more brush which was I used for my monsters. I use this one too. I downloaded from brushes. Or you can use from default another one. This is one for the grass, but you can use it like this for the fur or hairy or grass or whatever you like, but this looks fine for me. And that's it for this kind of thing if you want to create. I hope you like my video and see you next time.